Join me on another food adventure here at Mama Lou's Italian Kitchen.
Hi mga ka-Cray! Ayan, good morning to everyone. Mag-isa ako ngayon and yes, I'm going to be doing another food review. Now, we are at Mama Lou's in Venice Piazza. So, samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna order for one kasi ako lang mag-isa. Okay? What I ordered is pasta all Angela. I'm gonna show it to you later. And also, spinach and goat cheese pizza. So, yan daw yung bestseller. So, let me just show you the menu. Ayan, so after 5 minutes, meron akong complimentary bread. So binigyan ako ng complimentary bread with ito, yung ano ba to? Olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So this is a plus point for me kasi favorite ko to. And gusto syempre natin yung may complimentary bread. Diba? So, ayun. Let's try the bread. Syempre, it looks like it's newly baked or freshly baked. Ang sarap. Parang ito palang mabubusog na ako. And yung pagkakagawa no, balsamic and olive oil, masarap din. So, good siya sa akin, plus point. So, ayan, dumating na yung pizza ko after 15 minutes. Ang masarap na. This is the 10-inch. I'm going to eat na. It is cheesy. So, ito. If you'll notice, big cheese. Oh, yan, mami. Thank you. Okay, so ito na yung pasta. Dumating na. Napakadami. So, I think I'm gonna take this home. Grabe. Okay, so let's eat na. Let's try the pizza. Oh my God. Tanungin niyo ako. Chibo or ito? Of course, ito. My God. Bakit? Bakit hindi kita pinapansin parate, Mama Lou's? Sobrang sarap. Ito na yung unang bite pa lang. Napapawaw ka na. So yummy. Alam din times like this na ang sarap-sarap ng kinakain ko. Parang nagigilty ako kasi hindi ko sila kasama. Hindi ko kasama ang crazy fam. Pero di bale, kasi for sure may matitira ako dito. So, uwian ko na lang sila. And of course, mag-dine ulit kami dito sa Mama Lou's. And sure ako dyan. Sobrang sarap. My God. My God. Ang sarap talaga, promise. So, ito-try ko naman tong pasta. So, simula ko lang yung pasta. Nakikita ko na napaka-al dente niya. My God. Oh my God. Just the way I like it. Diba yung sa Chibo kasi, medyo nakulangan ako sa lasa ng pasta, diba? Because I want my red sauce to be a little thick, a little sweet. May Filipino touch yung taste. And also, pakita ko sa inyo, here's the pasta. Ayan. Ang hirap kasi mag-isa lang ako, walang nagtitake ng video. Well, anyway, so let's try the pasta. Thank you! Oh my God. Sobrang sarap. Magugustuhan to ni Chloe. At I'd rate this as 11 out of 10 because nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Especially the pizza. Obvious naman na gusto ko, diba? Itong in-order kong pasta is medyo sweet siya. May Filipino touch, pero parang lasang Italian pa din. May sausage. So, bagay siya dito sa pizza na kinuha ko kasi the pizza naman is very cheesy. Ayan. Medyo salty ng konti. Pero again, I won't complain. It's really, really good. Yung pangit na nakikita nyo, tissue. Ayan. Yummy. Ang sarap ng pizza. Grabe. Panalong-panalo ko. Promise. Ako kasi, pagka gusto ko yung food, mananotice nyo naman sa akin. May ako nagsasabi ng, sarap, sarap, sarap. Pero pag yung, sakto lang. Oo, masarap, pero hindi siya yung babalik-balikan ko. O i-crave ko. Yan, ang like nito. And, pagka nagagusto ako sa isang food, may ako kinakain yan. So, for sure, babalik kami dito. So, that's it for my food review of Mama Lou's Italian Kitchen. Samahan niyo ako ulit sa susunod na food review ko. And puputulin ko na to because I have to hurry. I have to rush in eating. Importante na pakita ko naman sa inyo. And it is really, really good. I'll have to take out itong mga natira ko kasi talaga nakakapuno siya kaagad. Ayan. And this one, look at the pasta. Ang serving niyan. Parang good for 2. So, ayun. Yung 10-inch na pizza, by the way, is also parang good for 2 din. Sulit na rin kasi for a bill of 1,015 pesos, my bill, meron akong pizza, meron akong malaking pasta, and of course, mayuwi ko pa siya. So, it's very sulit. Again, my rating for Mama Lou's Italian Kitchen is 11 out of 10. I'm really, really satisfied with my lunch today. So, that's it. Thank you for watching, mga ka-Cricks, and see you again on my next food review. Bye!
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! See you on our next adventure!